Welcome to the Madison II, where everyday living feels luxurious and comfortable. This is in Stock's Indigo collection here at Caymas. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. There's an additional half bath, just over 3,000 square feet, and a 3-car garage. So we're standing in the foyer to the living room. These panels are really coming back, but I've seen this floor plan with built-in entertainment centers, additional storage cubbies and so on, even fireplaces, and then an expansive kitchen. Gourmet, ample room for serving and seating. Please explore. And then the dining area with edge-deleted glass doors that open up at the corner there, right into the lanai. Beyond the entertaining space, we have a guest wing. Over here, more of a lounge, formal, informal seating area, entertaining space. Can be used as a guest suite if needed, of course, and it also shares the pool bath. Opposite that, another bedroom, closet, and walk-in ensuite. Each one of the bedrooms in this floor plan has its own ensuite. Since we're here, let's explore the lanai. We'd call this the main event. These doors open right up. We have everything you could look for in an outdoor living space. Plenty of cooking, washing, dining, appliances, pool, spa, and seating and lounge areas, overhead fans, outdoor fireplace, and entertainment units. As you walk through the stacking doors, look again behind me, you'll see the portrait screens with the large lake views that Caymas is known for. Heading back through the living room and foyer, we have the den, separated with double pocket doors. Ample space for this flex area, whatever you need to use it for. And finally, the primary wing. Large walk-in closets on either side. And a large, well-lit primary suite with access to the lanai out the double doors as well. Finally, the primary ensuite, spacious and well appointed, with split vanities, walk-in shower, freestanding tub, and of course the water closet behind me. And another, finally, the garage wing. This is where you're going to find your guest bath, 2-piece bath, as well as the 3rd bedroom. A large laundry room, with lots of storage, and 3-piece garage with finished epoxy floors. The Madison II is perfect for a casual yet sophisticated buyer who values an open and airy living space for everyday life. It's also great for empty nesters who still want room for guests and appreciate single-story convenience with a touch of elegance. That was the welcoming Madison II floor plan here at Caymas. Our next step in the Indigo collection is the stunning Sterling III.